What is up, everybody? Dan and the Fireman here. Today we're going to be going over how to avoid some idiots. I got some tips for you, but this one's going to be a little difficult to explain how to avoid. But we're going to try to avoid injuries. So the biggest thing here is wearing gear. So acquire and use personal protective equipment. Right here, it's part of being a smart rider, so make sure you guys grab some. But also the 360 situational awareness. Let's go ahead and see what happens here, though. Okay. Parking right in front. All right. Are you okay? Just go ahead and be calm about it. Grab their information. Not a big deal. Right here it says the driver was on their phone. Typical. Probably typical. Not a big deal, though. Could be inattentional blindness. The driver could be zoned out for other reasons. Who knows? Who knows? But our main thing here is that we want to be zoned in. But since we're in an intersection, kind of awkward, kind of weird, okay? Let's go ahead and figure it out. We got to make sure we're in a good position for safety. We're green light. We're going to go ahead and go. Okay, we're in the middle lane. And we got impacted. Now, I don't know if that vehicle was in the middle lane originally and then kind of accelerated into us because we're lane splitting, or they're in the left lane and then kind of ran into us because they switched into the middle lane and then they switched back to the left lane. I don't know. Write in the comments what you think happened. I personally think, this person actually was in the middle lane with us. We were lane filtered. If that happens, we really want to accelerate out of there quicker so we can avoid that. Okay, so whenever I lane split, as soon as it turns green, I do my head checks, and if nothing is even close to presenting as a threat, because we know I'm planning my ride, we're assessing relevant threats right there as the third one right there. If I don't see anything, I'm gone. Okay, I'm gone. While I'm sitting there, I'm already looking at the road surface, seeing if there's any hazards, planning my little route through if there is, double checking everything, nobody's moving, I'm out of here. I'm moving, I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone. Now, if there is people kind of, presenting as threats because they're going to run that red light, yeah, I get it. We're going to have to kind of wait. Hopefully that person pays attention. And that's where we start to run into, okay, so since we we seeked and maintained, let's go ahead and have some gear. And if we got ran over, hopefully somebody can rescue us. This is a pretty bad situation, but if you're in that position, accelerate out of there, okay? Go ahead and accelerate out of there. Thankfully, nothing bad's happened. His mirror got knocked a little bit, and then we're going to go ahead and get in front, and we're going to ask for information. That's going to be the biggest thing here. You want to grab their information. The deductible might be more than what's worth it here, and you kind of just have to chalk it up to a bad experience. Thankfully, you got it on camera just in case they wanted to fight anything, but more than likely, they got more damage to their vehicle. So, wasn't paying attention. It sucks. It does. All right, so do motovlog. That's the name of the person. Plus, they got a little license plate up there. Already a mob ride. Okay, so not a lot of space cushioning. Lots of quick perceptions and reactions. It's called being anxious and nervous here because you got to be. So this whole time, definite orange stage, prepped and ready. Not a lot of escape paths. Line of sight's terrible. What's going on? What's going on? No brake lights. Okay, I see some. There's brake lights coming up. We're accelerating. Oof. There's brake lights, brake lights, brake lights. Everyone's applying the brakes. You see ABS kicking in. We got this guy right here slipping and sliding because he doesn't have ABS and slam that rear brake. Ooh, this is why I don't participate in these kinds of group rides. Now, when I'm in a group ride, I am making sure it's just a very small one. I'm slowly creating an idea for something called squad riding or crew riding. And max would be 4 people, but little pods of 4 people. Anyways, working on it. And the main reason why I'm doing it that way is because we use Cardo Pack Talk edges here at the DanDan Crew. They got the free comms, they got the spirits, they got the bolds and everything. So check it out. Links in the description. You get a discount with the link in the description or using code DDTF. You'll see it when it pops up here. But yeah, the cone patterns also. Go ahead and grab one of those. But right here, lots of problems. These are all idiots. I'm sorry. I'm kind of tired of pulling my punches. Don't be a part of this. I mean, imagine if this was all cars. Yeah. So if they're all cars, we'd be calling them idiots. They're all motorcycles. What are we calling them? Okay, they're not smart riders here. Not smart riders. Now, I get it's a different culture. Are we in Brazil? I don't know. But the thing is, we're not paying attention. Everyone is all over the place. Too much chaos, too much everything. It's a great reason to sit in the back with your rescue pack just in case somebody crashes and get hurt. That's where I'd be. I'd be at the very, very, very back, making sure that people aren't dying on the roads because nobody's going to be able to help them. Nobody's going to be able to get to them because of all of this. So the best way to avoid this Okay, here's some motorcycle riding tips, how to avoid these idiot drivers. Don't be a part of it. Don't be a part of it. Simple as that. With that said, ride safe, be safe, ride smart, and I'll be seeing you on the next video.